Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this tutorial video. Guys, in this tutorial video, I would like to share a quick navigation technique in Adobe Premiere Pro. And this is actually a very basic and quite simple technique actually, guys. Right, but just in case if it didn't struck you, I'm here to teach you that. There may be times, in which, like say, you are working on a complex project, right, and you are really zoomed into some part, and now you want to go back to a specific part and you want to copy out some clips. So guys, instead of dragging your timeline all the your CTI all the way to the left, and just keep waiting till you get to that part, and that is actually quite time consuming. And guys, if you go over here like this, then that's gonna zoom out. You change your CTI position and then you zoom back in. This is actually also time consuming. So I've got a cool technique, right, and it's pretty easy. Like I said, actually it's pretty obvious. Not easy, guys. Actually, yes, it is easy. Is to keep working, all right, not to change anything in the timeline, but to change something in the program monitor. Now guys, if you guys remember, program monitor and the timeline are linked together. So meaning if I have my CTI over here, I'm gonna see some changes over here. So similarly guys, if I change the CTI from here to somewhere over there, you can see how quickly I can just go back to the place where I want. So guys, I always keep my program monitor zoomed out, right, to see where exactly the work is. So I can, if I want to make some major navigation, like say if I really want to go into, like say 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so I always use the program monitor, right, and not the CTI. Alright, so that was my tutorial video for today. Right, hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys will use this technique in your projects. Hope this technique helps you out. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please like this video on YouTube. If you guys have any other problems in Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, or in your computer, you have as in my Facebook link is gonna be in the description. Go ahead, leave me a message or add me as a friend, and I will try to help you out. Right? Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure that you subscribe. Thank you.